Hello students, myself Chef Arnab, and today I am going to demonstrate chicken bourguignon or chicken burgundy. Chicken bourguignon is a classical French preparation made with burgundy wine. Let's check the ingredients. Ingredients for chicken bourguignon: chicken with bone, chopped onion, chopped garlic, chopped celery, diced carrot, diced tomato, thyme, demi-glace sauce, red wine, tomato puree, crushed pepper, salt, butter. To start with, we'll heat the pan. We'll add a little bit of oil. And butter. This hot, we'll add onion. We'll add the chopped onion. The garlic, celery, okay, we'll saute it. Once sauteed, we'll add thyme. Then we'll add the chicken. We'll add the chicken. We'll sear the chicken. The chicken, we'll add our carrot. We'll deglaze the pan with red wine. We'll add our tomato. Some salt. Some crushed pepper. We'll add the tomato puree. We'll cook the tomato puree for some time. Then we'll add the demi-glace sauce. Okay. So our bourguignon is ready. The chicken is cooked already. So now we'll do the plating. Deep dish. Okay. We'll place our chicken. Goes very well with French baguette. Okay. And we'll garnish it with some chopped parsley on top. So chicken bourguignon is ready for service. Hope you have liked the video, the recipe. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you.